Is your Windows PC showing high RAM usage even when you are not running heavy programs? Does your system feel slow, laggy, or less responsive for no clear reason? What if I told you that several gigabytes of your RAM might be locked in cached memory? And you can safely clear it in seconds using an official Microsoft tool? In this video, I will guide you through a simple, secure, and completely free method to clear cached RAM using a trusted Microsoft utility. This works perfectly on both Windows 10 and Windows 11. So let's get started. So first, go to Task Manager. Once Task Manager opens, click on the Performance tab at the top. Inside the Performance tab, select Memory from the left sidebar. Now look at the right side of the window. You will see a detailed memory breakdown, including in use, available, and cached. Now focus specifically on the cached value. In my case, I can see around 4.2 GB of cached memory. That's a significant amount of RAM being held in cache. Your number may be different, maybe 1 GB, 5 GB, 7 GB, or even higher. The larger this number is, the more performance improvement you may notice after clearing it. Keep Task Manager open. We will use it to monitor the real-time results. Now open your web browser. Now search for RAMMap sys internals. Click on the first result. It should be the official page hosted on Microsoft website. On the page, you will find information about what RAMMap does. Now click on the Download RAMMap button. When the Save As screen appears, save it wherever you want. The file will start downloading. It's very small, usually around 400 to 800 KB. So it should download almost instantly, even on a slower internet connection. Now as you can see, it has been downloaded. Now right click on the rammap.zip file. Then click on Extract All. After that, click on Extract. Perfect. Now the files are ready to use. Inside the extracted folder, look for rammap.exe. This is the main executable file. Click on it. The RAMMap interface will now open. It provides a very detailed breakdown of how your system memory is being used. Now for demonstration purposes, place Task Manager and RAMMap side by side on your screen. This allows you to observe the change in cached memory in real time. Now in the RAMMap window, look at the top menu bar. Click on Empty. A drop-down menu will appear with multiple options. Select Empty Standby List. This specifically clears the cached memory we saw earlier in the Task Manager. Click it once. The process happens almost instantly. Now look back at your Task Manager window. Now you should see the cached memory value drop dramatically. In my case, it reduced from around 4.2 GB down to approximately 300 to 400 MB. That's more than 3 GB of RAM freed instantly and made available for active applications. Since I have 16 GB of RAM installed, this makes a noticeable difference in system responsiveness. Your system should now feel more responsive and smoother, especially if you previously had several gigabytes locked in cache. So that's it for today. If this method helped you improve your PC's performance, then please give it a like, share and subscribe our channel for more tech tutorials and tips. Your support really motivates me. Thank you. Thanks for watching.